Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide unwanted object from video. This is the CapCut tutorial. So if you use a CapCut, a SEO video editor, this is a mobile version, Android version of CapCut. You can use the remove or mask to hide the object from your video. Let's try. This is, for example, I took this video from a library to practice. So you can tap on your video and try to search duplicate here, and on the first video you can make overlay. Here at the bottom, this is the overlay. So you can use mask feature in here. You can tap it. This is the circle. You can use circle or rectangle to make masks. For example, I use the circle one and try to use in the blank space, on the blank space like this, and you can tap this to check and try to cover the ball with this. So as you can see, the ball is gone. The ball is covered or hide. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.